Hello, my name is Yang Wang, and you are watching Vulkee Arts. I want to tell a little bit about myself. I was born in 1983 in a refugee camp in Ban Vinai, Thailand. I thought at that moment everything in the world revolves around that little refugee camp, and I'm gonna grow up and live in that place and die in that place. And I was happy though. I was content. But then, luckily, I got here to the United States in 1991, and every Saturday I used to wake up and watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And I wondered to myself, how do they do those animation? I really wanted to do it, but as a minority, I didn't think I could do it. So I just enjoy watching Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle every weekend. I wake up every weekend to watch it. And then the opportunity came for me when I was in high school. I have some friends and cousins that went to college in UW Parkside, and I was still a senior, and they would go party and I would tag along. And then I realized that, hey, maybe this is a good chance for me to go to college, follow their footsteps, and see where I can go. And I did. But then I'll go back to the high school days because that's where I started my arts. But then so that's, I'll just cut it short. I'll explain more as we go on. But then anyway, I started drawing when I was in middle school, 6th, 7th grade. Pretty much just comic books and self-portraits. Self-taught, I just kind of learning myself, draw over and over. When I first started drawing self-portraits, it takes 3, 4, 5 hours, but then after a while you get used to it, so then it becomes easier and faster, and it's a way to relax and just imagine yourself in a different place, I don't know about those that don't draw, but as artists like me, and I'm sure if you are, you understand, once you get into that mood of drawing, that feeling, it's different. You distance yourself from everything else and you just concentrate just on what you're drawing or doing, so that's it was a way for me to kind of get out of the real world, even though it's not bad, but yeah. So anyway, I will explain more about my life and my arts as this channel goes on. But yeah, maybe I should connect back to that early days, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. So I never thought I could animate and do anything like that, but I got into college, took graphic design in some animation class, and I actually learned how to animate. And that's when I realized that, hey, you know what? You can do anything, if you put your mind into it. It's hard work, persistent, and just keep going. Everyone's got their own way of drawing, technique, styles and skills. So do what you can. Don't compare yourself too much with other people. Look at their drawings, the way how they draw, and pick what you like. Incorporate that into your style. And that I will also show some sample as this channel goes on of the different styles I try to imitate and use figure out at the end how I wanted to draw, and you know, be who I am. So anyway, check out my art, self-portraits, and I do want to say this is my first video in this channel, so I want to do something. I want to see if any one of you will be interested. Join me. After you look through all my self-portraits, draw yourself and send it over. I will put more information in the description below, and you can send it there to my email, vulkeellc@gmail.com. Scan it, take a good picture of it, of your drawing when you're done. Send it to me by December 24th. I will gather them and put it into a video, put it back on YouTube, and then make you guys come back and decide which one you like the most. Don't choose yourself, choose someone else, and then the winner, I will come up with something. I'm thinking about a gift card, maybe a $50 gift card. Just just to, thanks for your time and your participation. And but what I want to get to is to make you draw something, and maybe you can get into that feeling that I got into when I was still younger. That drawing mode, once you get into that drawing mode, the time just fly like that. Hopefully I will get used to this, and hopefully this will branch out, and we'll have fun. YouTube is a great community. It's a very efficient way of spreading information and sharing what we know and what we can do and helping each other. Let's see where we can go, guys. Yeah, so if you want more information about the self-portrait contest to win a $50 gift card, look down there in my description. But pretty much it's simple. Just draw yourself, self-portrait, and that's it. Alright, hope to see all of your drawings on December 24th, 2019. Thanks, and keep drawing. See ya.